Hello everyone, I'm here today. I'm gonna teach you about simple present tense. Before we start, I'm gonna introduction myself. My name is Muhammad Nopal Putra. I am a student from Universitas Bina Saran Informatika, or people called BSI. My name is 6325167 So the purpose of the presentation is to complete my English assignment and to learn about tense, especially present tense, and to evaluate my capabilities of learning English and so much more. For the opening, we gonna describe what is tense. Is a verb from that indicate the times in action of being occur such as past, present, and future. Tense help us to clarify some event that has been happen, is happening, or will happening, and it gives us context for communication. So tense if has a three tense is like present that it happen now, past that is happen to yesterday or whatever, and future that will happen yesterday, that will happen tomorrow or in the future. Okay, so in this presentation, I'm gonna explain about a simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a tense that explains the situation that is happening now, habit, general fact, or repetitive activities. So this is the purpose the present tense in the short. It's for explain the habit, explain the fact, explain the repetitive, and explain the instruction. So how we use a simple present tense on how we make it into a sentence. So the first one is we use subject like Ayu Dewi and she he it plus verb one plus SES. Not that the subject we use can be different like we she he it not you gonna use S or a S. It's gonna use S or a S. But if we use subject like Ayude, we don't use the S or S. So the example is like she plays guitar. He goes to Malaysia. Like go is the verb and we plus the S or a S like that. And if we use subject like Ayude, we don't use S or a S. Like I play football. You go to school like that. And how we make it negative or like I don't like or yeah like negative sentence like that. So we use a subject like the Ayudewi and she it and use do or does. If we use Ayudewi as the subject, we use do, not and for one. If we use she it, we use subject she he it or and use does not or people shorten it like doesn't and for one. So the example is she doesn't play piano, he doesn't go to Singapore. And the second one is the same, we don't use doesn't but we use don't or do not. I don't play basketball, you don't go to a garden. And how we make it interrogative? So sentence is will if we asking someone like how are you like that. So whatsoever we can use the interrogative simple present tense like this. We use do or does for the first and the subject and plus verb one. So the example is like does she play guitar? Does he goes to Malaysia? And for a do like do I play football? Do you go to school? And like that. Usage of the simple present tense, habits or routine. So it's a example for usage the simple present tense in real life or the daily routine like this. Present tense usually used when we describe daily activities or daily routines. The example is she plays football every morning. He goes to work every day. I eat apple every day. You go to church every night. So the key is every or we usually do like every day we usually do like we eat, we play, and any other activities that are repetitive. And the second is the general truth. General truth is a simple common knowledge that everyone know, like the sun rise at the east. in the east, the sun sets in the west, like that. Everyone know that. And the third is usage of the simple present tense, the schedule event. Schedule event is like event that will happen, but it's in a short time, and it will happen in the short time, and it's not used to predict the future. Like example is the train leaves at 10 a.m. The concert begins at 10 p.m. The store closes at 11 p.m. Like that. And the last one is we can use the simple present tense to instruction. Like simple present tense also can be used to give an instruction. Like this: you do 10 push up now, or you go straight and turn right. The second one is used when people ask us about a location, so we can like you go straight and turn right, like that. So this short dialogue, like the example is, what time do you wake up, Arfani? Arfani, I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Moja, do you exercise before school? Arfani, yes, I do. The second one is, Putri, what do you do in your free time? Putra, I play games in my phone. Putri, do you play every day? Putra, no, I usually play at the free time. And the third one is Rafa Nadia. Rafa, where does the sun rise? Nadia, it rises in the east. So, Rafa, so it sets in the west, right? Nadia, yeah, that's true. It's a general truth. And here we go. We at the summary. So the simple present tense is one of a kind tense that we need to learn about. It's a basic tense. We learned that formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb plus s or es, and simple present tense is usually can be used to clarify about something like habit, daily activities, schedule, and instruction. And the general truth, I forgot to add it. And the conclusion is, so far we have been studying about simple past, formula, the use of the simple present formula, the use of simple present, and so much more. So don't forget about what we learned today and keep trying to study more so we can upgrade our English skill. And I'm Muhammad Novel Fani Putra. Hope you all get encouraged to study and learn more about English. That's all, and thank you. And for the last time, kuliah BSI aja. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Novel Arfani Putra. I'm from Universitas Bina Sarjana Informatika. So here I am. I'm gonna tell you about my opinion about smoking in campus area. So I believe that smoking in campus area is prohibited and must be prohibited. Because why? Because campus area is a clean environment for all student campus, become the place to study and refreshing. Because of the smoking or smokers that smoke in the campus area, the clean environment become the dirty environment. So if you not encouraged enough to stop smoking in campus area, so in cigarettes or something like vape and the other kind, there is an ingredient that can cause severe cancer, heart attack, or heart disease, and breath problem. So like that, not only it harm the smokers, it's harm people around the smokers. Like if the smokers get the cancer, the people around the smokers get a free cancer too. So in my opinion, instead smoking, why don't you breathe some fresh air? Because the God create the clean air for us to breathe, not a smoke to breathe, like that. If you cannot hold the urge to smoking, I think you should go to consultation, like stop smoking and like that. And if you keep smoking in campus area, I think you should go out, like you find a place that for smoking, not a campus to smoking, like that. So that's my opinion. That's all. The last word is kuliah BSI aja. Thank you everyone.